riptide. I don't know if I'll survive as the darkness falls. An ocean in